Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to apply multiple tax rates to invoices in Wave. If your business operates in a region with layered tax systems like state and federal or regional value added tax, then you may need to apply more than one tax rate. And here's how to do it. So go to sales and then invoice, and then you're going to click create an invoice. Now add your customer and items or services as usual, and then under each line item you want to look for the tax drop down menu. Select add a tax and then choose multiple tax rates that you've previously created. Wave will automatically calculate each tax rate separately, as well as a total tax amount at the bottom of the invoice. Pro tip, if your taxes are compound, make sure you've selected that during setup to ensure proper stacking calculations. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one.